Angel white of labyrinth blue, do you see me as I see you? Soft darkened eyes haunted by dreamless sleep. Is it your ghost I see in the mirror? Reach out to touch me, dearest dream of mine. Open your eyes, say you're alright. The glass shatters at the softest touch. Is there a soul beyond the shards? Warm tears sting my eyes as all of these sweet memories flood back to me. Reminiscing now, the sun will set beyond the cruel mountain range. I'll still be here. It's dark now without your light, begging your heart to beat. Sweet thought angel, open your eyes. My existence is not the same. Believe in me. Without you here. You shut your eyes and gave in to that light, a beauty frozen in eternal night. Just when I realized the error of my ways, you slipped between my fingertips. I was a fool, I was stuck in such bliss. Wish I could grant you your first kiss. Sorrow only grows if I try to forget. You're an eternal part of me, a sweet lullaby, clasping my fragile heart and whispering